Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss questions and answers. Here we are going to discuss thinking about the text. Okay. Here first we will see the first question here. Who does Lancho have complete faith? Which sentence in the story tell you this? Okay, and the second question is, why does the postmaster send money to Lancho? Why does he sign the letter God? Here we will see the third question. Did Lancho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why? Why not? Here we will see the fourth question. Who does Lancho think has taken the rest of money? What is the irony in the situation? Remember that the irony of a situation in an unexpected aspect of it. An ironic situation is strange or amusing because it is the opposite of what is expected. Here we will see the fifth question. Are there people like Lancho in the real world? What kind of person would you say he is? You may select appropriate words from the box to answer the question. Okay. Here now we will see the sixth and the last question. There are two kinds of conflict in the story between humans and nature and between humans themselves. How are these conflicts illustrated? Here we will see the first answer. Lancho had complete faith in God. The sentences in the story that shows this are as follows. First point here. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house is the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. And the second point, all through the night, Lancho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Here that point third, God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. Okay. Point 4, he wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still trouble went to town. Fifth one, God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lancho what he had requested. It said, God of money that I ask for, only 70 pesos reach me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. So by seeing these points, we can say or we can understand Lancho have complete faith in God. Okay. Here we will see the second question answer. First of all, we will see the question. Why does the postmaster send money to Lancho? Why does he sign the letter God? Okay, here we will see the answer. Postmaster was moved by Lancho's complete faith in God, so he decided to send money to Lancho. Moreover, the postmaster did not want to shake Lancho's faith in God, so he signed the letter God. Okay, it was a good play to convey a message that God had himself written the letter. Okay, here we will see the third question. Did Lancho try to find out who had sent the money to him? Why not? Here we will see the third answer. No, Lancho does not try to find out who had sent the money to him. This is because he had great confidence in God and never suspected that it could be someone else other than God who would send him the money. His faith in God was so strong that he believed that God had sent him the money. Here we will see the fourth question. Lancho thinks that the post office people have taken the money. It is the post office people who send the money to Lancho. But on the other hand, Lancho thinks they have stolen his money. He calls them crooks. Thus, there is an element of irony in this situation. Here we will see the fifth answer. I don't think there can be any such people in the real world. Lancho is illiterate and yet he does not know how his letter will reach God without any address. He probably would be a naive and unquestioning. Here we will see the 6 questions answer. The conflict between humans and nature is shown by the destructions of Lancho's crops, by the hailstones. As the crops failed by hail, Lancho started feeling sad and gloomy. After the storms appropriately projects the conflict of the nature and the man. The story also shown other conflict between humans themselves. The postmaster, along with the help of the other post office employees, sent Lancho the money that they would manage to collect. They were not related to Lancho in any manner. It was an act of kindness and selflessness on their part. Even though they did a good deed, Lancho blamed them for taking away some amount of money. This shows that man does not have faith in his fellow humans, thereby giving rise to this conflict. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next video.